Welcome. In this video, we will explore the geometric interpretation of the dot product. Specifically, we will look at the formula connecting the dot product to the angle between two vectors, theta. There are actually two main ways to calculate a dot product. First is the algebraic method, where you multiply corresponding components and add them up. This is great when you have coordinates, but today we are focusing on the geometric method, shown in red. This method uses the lengths of the vectors and the cosine of the angle between them. Let's break down this geometric formula. On the left, we have the dot product, which results in a single number, a scalar. On the right, we multiply three things: the magnitude or length of vector u, the magnitude of vector v, and finally, the cosine of the angle theta. This formula is the bridge between algebra and geometry. It is crucial to define theta correctly. To measure the angle between two vectors, you must place them tail to tail, starting from the same point. Theta is always the smaller angle between them, meaning it ranges from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. Because lengths are always positive, the sign of the dot product depends entirely on the cosine of theta. If the angle is acute, meaning less than 90 degrees, the dot product is positive. If the angle is obtuse, greater than 90 degrees, the dot product is negative. And if the angle is exactly 90 degrees, the dot product is 0. This leads to a very important concept, orthogonality. If two vectors are perpendicular, the angle is 90 degrees. Since the cosine of 90 degrees is 0, the entire dot product becomes 0. This gives us a very fast and easy test to check if vectors are perpendicular. What about parallel vectors? If they point in the same direction, the angle is 0 degrees. The cosine of 0 is 1, so the dot product is just the product of their lengths. If they point in opposite directions, the angle is 180 degrees. The cosine is -1, giving us the negative product of their lengths. We can rearrange this formula to solve for the angle itself. By dividing both sides by the magnitudes of u and v, we isolate cosine theta. Then, to find theta, we simply take the inverse cosine or arccosine of that value. Let's try an example. We want to find the angle between vector u, 3, 4, and vector v, 4, 3. First, we calculate the dot product, which is 24. Next, we find the magnitude of each vector. Both happen to be 5. We plug these into our formula to find that cosine theta equals 0.96. Finally, taking the inverse cosine gives us an angle of approximately 16.26 degrees. To summarize, the dot product connects vectors to angles. Remember that a positive value means an acute angle, a negative value means an obtuse angle, and 0 means they are perpendicular. This simple number tells us a lot about the geometry of the vectors.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.